Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 1 hour 20 minutes start to finish. Chicken crispy drumsticks, tomatoes, garlic, mushroom, fresh cream fries. Ingredients: chicken drumsticks, 6 tomatoes peeled, butter, salt, black ground pepper, fresh whipping cream, 1 spoon of white sugar, dry parsley, 3 garlic cloves, a splash of mineral water, sliced mushrooms, potato cut in French fries, neutral frying oil. Preparation: in a pot of boiling water, insert 6 tomatoes for 2 minutes to help in remove their skin. Then insert the cut tomatoes in a blender with the garlic cloves, salt, pepper, parsley, a splash of mineral water. Insert the tomatoes mixture in a pot, adding a spoon of white sugar, and cook for 20 minutes. Insert the washed and sliced mushrooms in a pan with a slice of butter. Once cooked about 5 minutes, add them to the tomato sauce. Add a splash of fresh whipping cream. Salt and pepper the chicken drumsticks. Insert in boiling neutral oil and fry on medium heat for 60 minutes or until golden. In a pot, bring neutral oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Insert the fries. Cook for 6 minutes. Remove, wait 4 minutes, get the oil to 190 degrees Celsius and cook again for 2 minutes. This is used for double cooking the fries. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.